You're recording a video?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just so awkward talking to the camera, you know? Trying to muster up that emotion to start your video. So, what's going on, YouTube? I'm sorry for doing a to be continued to the previous video. I feel like that's kind of like a way of forcing you to watch now part 2. But, I'm sorry, I'm guilty of it. So, going here now. As you can read from the title, we're actually going to be putting hardwood, morning glory in the back of my E34. That side was easy. This side is tending to be a big issue. So what you want to do is you want to pull out your trunk mat, and you want bottom side up, or as I like to say, ass up, face down, and you want to trace on the back of the wood. The reason why you want it face down, ass up, or ass up, face down is because when you flip the wood to expose the wood side, that's going to be the way that the trunk flooring is actually supposed to be. If it's not that way, you're going to have an issue. And for instance, like this guy. This guy is actually for the passenger side. And this is what I was talking about. It looks like it fits that way, right? But you want the wood side, it's going to be that way, and you're going to look like a fucking asshole. You're going to look like an asshole putting it in your car. So make sure that it's bottom side up, trace it on. Make sure that you try to keep it as flat as possible when you're doing it, because on mine, it was kind of crinkled.
Lean forward and show Michael Jordan your collar. Oh, see how it's all curled up like bacon in a pan? See how bad this dude looks? What's that?
Very difficult to trace, so make sure you're pushing it down flat, and make sure to try to get the angle and the shape of it as best as you can. So as you guys can already see, I did 4 pieces. The E34 takes 7 wide or 7 long, I don't know how you want to do it, 7 across, and just start jigging. Who wants to? Alright, so make sure your power's turned on. And start jigging. If you're like really anal about your work, you're gonna follow the lines. I'm not following the lines because when I traced it, like I said, my trunk mat is kind of fucked, so I kind of try to compensate for the fact that it is kind of messed up. So get it in there if you can. Boom. There you go. You just want to repeat the process all the way through. Make sure that there's no gaps between the joints, and yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory.
Party people in the place to be. It's about that time for us to.
Yeah, what you know about going out, head west, red legs, TVs, all up in the headrest. Try and live it up, ride jewel, bigger truck, piece all glittered up, stick a kid, nigga what?
A little bit taller, I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and a 6'4" parlor. I wish I was like 6'9" so I can get with Leoshi, cause she don't know me, but yo, she's really fine. It's the joint. We're gonna prove to the world that we're for real. We're gonna prove to everybody we know the real deal. We got golden voices and hearts to steal, because the 5 MCs we got to be real. We wanna hear the party people yell Sugar Hill. So what's the deal? Sugar Hill. So what's the deal? Sugar Hill. Ooh, that's the joint. These words we said we want y'all to hear. We're gonna make a lot of sense. We're gonna make it clear. We're gonna rock this place. We're gonna do some.
Alright guys, so hopefully you like this video. It wasn't much of a detailed video, but next weekend I'm going to be down in Wildwood, New Jersey for an event called Slammed Enough. If you see me there, say what's up. I'll be in a prototype WHOTUCKIS shirt, and I don't know, if it's cool, I'll probably start making shirts to sell, but talking about for sale, stickers are $7. I have lime green, gray, silver, white, and then these are basically the same ones, but this is colored and this is see-through. So these are $7. Hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up down below if you want to buy these. And yeah, help support me, you know? So that's all I really have to say. Hit me up, like, comment, subscribe.
Oh.